Hello and welcome back to a new video. It's been a couple of weeks without me uploading. I was on holiday and a couple of hours before leaving I got this in the mail and I had a lot of fun with it. It was with me on the 2 weeks trip with the kids. I was in Gallipoli, south of Brindisi, and then I've tested it out also here in the city. And I would like to show you a 3 minutes video. And then at the end, I would like to tell you about pros and cons, what I love about this camera, but there's also something that can be improved. Let's roll the intro video and let's get back to some of my thoughts and first impressions after 2 weeks of use. If this is your first time here and you're into photography, video making, tech gear review and drones, start now by subscribing and hitting the bell so you won't miss anything. Wasn't that amazing? I mean, what you can do with this camera is like, can blow your mind. I mean, I was just walking, holding this camera on an invisible stick, and then everything you saw, the speed, the camera movement, everything was done in post-production. That means traveling without a hustle of shooting at the right point in the right moment. I mean, you can walk relaxed when you're with your family, and then when you're sitting at your desk, you can edit the way you love. You can speed it up and do a time lapse. You can slow it down. It depends on how many frame rates you're shooting. This camera has multiple frame rates you can choose, but as you can see, it creates videos that otherwise would be boring. I mean, it's a 3 minutes video, but I don't think that was boring, wasn't it? I mean, let me know in the comment down below if you didn't like it or if it sucked in your opinion. I personally loved it. I loved the editing part. Some features were edited with the app on the phone. Some others were edited on the Apple application on my Mac. It's a toy. Don't get me wrong. Even if it says you're shooting in 5.7K, that's not a real 5.7K. Everything you export, it's in 1080p. It's a good 1080p, but all the other pixel you need for the stabilization, it's a crazy cam for stabilization. I haven't seen yet any other camera that can do that stabilization. I mean, you've seen the video. I mean, I was playing with the kids. The camera was like I was holding a camera with they call it invisible stick, which disappears when you shoot on your video. You don't see the stick, so it does an amazing job of stitching all the images together, all the frames together of the video. It's an incredible toy. It can be improved, yes. Some features on the Mac program are not available, like time lapse. You cannot adjust time on the computer. You need to do that on your phone, export it, and then use that in your Final Cut or Premiere Pro, whatever software you're using. So overall, it was a really great experience. I've seen so many reviews. Everybody got technical, but what I wanted to do is try to understand how easy it is to produce a video like the one you saw, and the results are amazing in my opinion. So I really hope you liked it. I mean, this video is not aimed to convince you to buy it. It was my personal opinion after seeing so many reviews, pros and cons. It's not an action cam, it's 360 degrees. It's a toy, and you can have a lot of fun with it. There's an airplane passing by because we're near the airport. As you know, Brindisi is surrounded by airport. That's why I'm not flying my drone anymore, because it's no-flight zone everywhere. Are you done?
20 minutes later.
That was all for today, guys. I really hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope it was useful for you to make your mind if you're deciding on buying it or trying to understand how easy it is to use. It is easy. It's very easy, and results are amazing. I mean, you don't have 4K, you have great 1080p. It's not the sharpest, but it's great for YouTube. It's great for Instagram. It's a toy every YouTuber should have in their pocket. You never know. I mean, you need a blast of creativity, you take it out and you do it. Smash the like button if you did like the video, subscribe if you're not yet subscribed, and I'll see you guys on the next video.